Okay, I'm sorting out windshield wipers. I'm going to upgrade to a variable speed wiper from a single speed wiper. I got these things moving really good. You can see they move like that good. These ones they move, but they're a little run out. But anyway, you can see there's oil points here. There's an oil point here, an oil point here, and an oil point here. I don't know when they oil these things. This one you can oil from the front, but single speed's got a little different shape. It's got the full kind of comes all the way out here. It's obviously a bigger motor. You got these insulator rubbers. There's actually, you'll see here, there's actually a little washer that goes on the end of these guys. See, this one's missing the washer. Got a little cap, but there's a little washer that goes on the end of these too. Greased them up because you want them to be able to do this too. There's little rotations here. This one won't even move. It's so loud. Oh, that one's real loose actually. But like I said, these things moving good. All cleaned up, lubed up, polished. Like I said, you got to put some sealant all the way around here, all the way around here, because right around here is where it seals. No, these don't seal, but they're just insulators, rubber insulators. But anyway, they still seal up everything massively. So I'll put. And I got a couple variable speed switches. I got about 5 of these things. You'll see there's 2 different lengths on these ones. I've seen one that's on the net. There's like that long, but I don't know what it goes for. But I'll figure out which one of these are good. So the difference is single wire, obviously, versus the harness over here, which is there's your power and ground, and then here's your variable speed comes off the switch. Word of note. When you're doing these, it's best to clean these out real good, blow them all the way out. All the dirt flows here, obviously. You'll see the hole. There's a hole down there. Water typically flows, can get in here and go in here. I'll rust proof all this inside of here. It's all cleaned. This needs to be seam sealed, like a ball sealer they put there, because you don't want it to run here because it can still kind of kick into here. But I'll spray up into here and stuff. But I mean, it should be a sealed piece in there, but there's still something, I think, right on this edge right here. Water can get in. And what else am I doing? I'm working on my headers. Working on my, I'm taking this out of here. Tap this guy. This is my Hemi header, 392 Hemi headers. So I'm tapping them. I'll tap that one. I had to cut that off, cut that out, cut that. Take the tube out of here. Tubes actually have air holes on them. Knocked them out, but pain in the butt. Anyways, I'm going to paint these flame-proof paint. So, yeah, I cut this guy off. It wasn't moving good at all. These things are usually, a lot of times these are locked up. Spring actually looks okay. But that's what I'm doing. Okay, I took the crank pulley off, blasted it, sanded, painted again. This time got rid of all the rust. Really good. But yeah, I got the header on there now. Headers are on there. That's the gasket kit I got from the Hemi 392. I was painting this outside like a fool, so I'm scuffing it all down. I put a couple more final coats, final clear coats. Just too many dirt nibs and stuff. You can see it's horrible. Painting in the spring, it was okay in the fall, but now I'm making a paint booth. So I take these 8-foot long fiberglass sticks. Got a bunch more, so I can double them up if I need to make like a 10 or a 12-foot wide booth. Just temporary booth outside. So, finish painting fenders and doors and the hood.